Hey families, so I'm going to share with you a tip that will hopefully make your life a little bit easier as you help your child find their specials courses and their live meetings. So what you're going to do is they will go to their main Schoology page and they're going to click on the specials button. And then from here, I have linked all of the Google Meet conferences. I got those codes from those teachers. So all your child will have to do at 12:05, they'll click on the music button and it will take it straight to the meeting. So right now the teacher hasn't started the meeting, so this screen is popping up. So, but when it's 12:05, that link will be active. For art, they'll just click on this and she has a code. So she requires you to use PROS Art. So you'll just type in PROS Art. And then the last one, the live PE meeting, is it's just the same thing as music. You'll click on it, and then once they start the meeting, it will appear. So hopefully that will be a little bit easier. And then for the kids to get to their Schoology courses, they're just going to click on the picture that matches. So for PE, they'll go here, and if you go back, same thing for art, and then same thing for music. And the other thing with specials is here's our schedule down here in case you ever need reminders or if you need contact information for the specials teachers. I noticed that a lot of the specials teachers, they will send messages through Schoology. So as you can see, our PE teacher, he sent a lot of messages through that. So if your child has questions or if you have questions, be sure to check out those messages there. So that's just a quick tip for specials. Hopefully, like I said, that makes your life a little bit easier. But let me know if you have questions and have a great weekend.